Hi, I'm Taylor with HHHunt Homes. Come on in. I'm excited that you've made your way to Central Crossing in King William County. This community offers homeowners the perfect blend of rustic charm and convenience. Located close to everything you need and only about 15 minutes from Mechanicsville and a short commute to Richmond, you can see how this is a perfect spot for your brand new home. This is our Edison floor plan. This home is part of our Smart Living collection. We are standing in the family room, which is great for entertaining, game nights, or catching up on your latest Netflix shows with the family. Let's check out the kitchen. As you can see, there's plenty of counter space and cabinet space, and this space is filled with light. The island is perfect for quick meals, holding appetizers for gatherings, or overflow seating for dinner parties. This home offers a dining area that is perfect for getting everyone together. The first floor also offers a 2-car garage, powder space, and a flex space. There are options to create an office space or a morning room right off your kitchen, making each home perfect for however you live. Now let's go check out the upstairs. Welcome to the primary suite. As you can see, there's plenty of room here. The large windows flood the space with natural light, and connected is the owner's bath. Oh, and a large walk-in closet. The Edison floor plan includes a loft area that you can choose to make the space a 4th additional bedroom. Also included on the 2nd level, you have 2 additional bedrooms with large closets, a laundry room, a linen closet, and a full bath. Thank you for taking the tour with me today. As I mentioned earlier, the Edison is part of our Smart Living collection. You can choose from several different floor plans, all designed with you in mind. For more information, visit HHHuntHomes.com, because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters.